In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to start affiliate marketing and make money from day one as a beginner, step by step using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I made $15,251 in commission, as you can see over here, in the last month from the first day of September until the day 30 of September. And it's paid. I already received this money in my PayPal account. This is my invoice, and as you can see guys over here, it's paid. So in today's video, I will show you guys step by step how we can do it, how we can start affiliate marketing and make money from day one. Like I said, make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. Every single month I'm making above $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing using free traffic. Anyway, so for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Search for this website, click on the first link over here. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions, and some commissions can be up to $150 for just one service. You guys can check this website to get more. Like I said, just click here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, you can choose no. Choose your country from here and choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, super easy and simple. What you will do next, you need to choose good services that you should start promoting using free traffic to earn commission. So I will share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting using free traffic for free. Okay, so what you will do next, just go back to your home page on Fiverr after you finish your sign up process creating your Fiverr affiliate account. Go back to this home page on Fiverr, click on the search for logo design. It's already popular right now on Fiverr, you see guys. So click on logo design like this. I want you to pay a close attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. You need to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, sellers level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews, because people who will click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback and the reviews of those sellers. That's why you need to choose good sellers. If those sellers has good reviews, good feedback, people will buy those services from you and you will earn commission. So for example, I'm gonna choose, let's say for example this one. You guys can see this one is top rated seller. I will click on this seller service over here and you will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. 11 orders in queue, people keep coming back. This is the proof that this service is working and people are paying for this service. Okay, what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy this profile link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here, you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link using free traffic. So I will share with you guys how we can get free traffic and how we can find people who will be interested to buy this service from you. So step number 3, what you will do next, you will open your Facebook account. Open your, let me show you. So what you will do next, you need to open your Facebook account like this. Open your Facebook account, click on the search for logo design. Search for logo design like this. I want you to pay close attention. You have here filters. Scroll down, click on groups, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups that you need to join. For public groups, it's fine, you can use public groups with no problem, but private groups, you need to click on join, and you need to join the private groups so you can start using those groups to get customers. Okay, so let's check the first group. For example, click on the first group over here like this, and you will be directly in this group. As you can see, scroll down and you should find people here searching for logo designer. Here you go. I need a logo designer. This person posted this post 2 days ago searching for logo designer. Let's scroll down if you can find more people searching for logo designer. And you have a lot of groups, like I said. Need logo designer, expert for my company, advance payment $5. So for example, this one is searching for logo designer to make a logo for his company. So what I will do, I will click on his name, I will click on message, I will send a professional message to this person with my affiliate link. So what you will do next, you will go back to this seller profile page and scroll down. You should see here about this gig. This is his description of this seller. So what you will do, are you looking for minimalist logo? No further. No. Okay, I will copy this. I will copy. So what you will do next, like I said, copy this part of this description. I will copy this part and they will go back to Facebook and they will put this message here. Okay, and I will add check my website here. Okay, I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you guys can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have all Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and they still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Just copy your affiliate link from here. Go back to Facebook. This affiliate link is already too much long. I will make it short link. You guys can go and go to Google and search for Bitly. This website make long links, short links. It's for free. And here you go. I will copy this link. I will go back to Facebook and I will put this link here and I will click on send. Okay, so I will send this message to this person with my affiliate link. Okay, and here you go. Okay, I got this message. I think this is just an automatically message. This person will still reach out to you. Okay, so if this person reach out to me, I will continue this process with him and I will sell this service for him as a Fiverr affiliate and I will earn commission. That's how we can make commission in your first day. That's how we can start affiliate marketing and earn and make money from day one with the proof. Okay, it's working. I show you guys which services you should start promoting. I show you how we can find people who will be interested to buy those services from you using Facebook groups. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos. And I want also to explain something, guys. This commission that I made, it didn't come just from sending message on Facebook groups. Of course not. I'm using Facebook groups, but I'm also using YouTube, YouTube long videos, YouTube shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Quora, LinkedIn, and so much more. If you are interested, comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing with you a lot of new methods. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address, and I'm really happy to help you start your affiliate marketing business step by step and scale it and start making commissions like this every single month. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.